Hey there, kindergarten art students. Welcome to another video art lesson. Today we are going to draw a Rudolph, a little Christmas Rudolph. To do this, I'm going to start by drawing a big oval in the middle of my paper. Something like this. So here's the middle. So I have a little bit towards the bottom, a little bit more room at the top because I'm going to make some antlers. Next, I'm going to make it large, Rudolphy nose. Alright, next I'm going to make two large eyes, and they're going to be touching each other. And I'm going to make his eyeballs over here. His eyeballs are both on the side, so it looks like he's looking over here. He's looking over here. Alright. Next, I want to make an ear here and a little ear here. The ears are going to be kind of a triangle-y shape with the shape inside of them. Alright. Next, I'm going to make a little bit of a neck, a line here and a line here. Just come down a little bit, not all the way to the bottom. And he's going to be wearing a scarf. So I want to make a circle right here. And the scarf is going to be blowing. So I'm going to make a piece of the scarf come this way with some strings. And then I'm going to make another piece of the scarf coming this way. Here we go. Now, if this is Rudolph, what are we missing? We're missing his antlers. And to make the antlers, I'm going to make a line. Just make a line that goes to the top of the page. Another line goes to the top of the page. I'll do that first. And then I'm going to make little pieces, little short lines coming off of it. Just a couple short lines coming off of it for my antlers. Alright, I'm ready to start to color. I'm going to take a brown and I'm going to start coloring on my reindeer, on my Rudolph's face. I'm going to make him brown. I'm going to color his neck. Don't forget to color the neck. Coloring him brown. Coloring brown, coloring brown. Okay, and then at the bottom there, if I want to put a little bit of brown there, because my deer's body is down there. Alright, now, next I do know that his nose should be bright red. So I want to find a nice red. I'm going to go ahead and color in that nose nice and bright red. You can leave a little spot on there if you want. It's shiny. I'm going to make the insides of his ears a little bit of pink. Ooh, it's pretty bright pink. And then I'm going to take a black. And I'm going to go over top of the antlers. And when you go over top the antlers, make them a little bit thicker. Just make them a little bit thicker when you go over them so they're not so skinny. Just a little bit, not too much. I need to go over color his eyeballs, just the little bitty circles, just the little circles. Make those black. And I'm going to trace around the white part. You don't want to color in that part. I'm going to trace around his head. I'm going to trace around his nose. I'm going to trace around his ears. I'm going to trace around everything. Oops. Here's his neck. Scarf. Now his scarf is white. Perhaps we need to put some color on his scarf. And I was thinking of red and green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some red. I'm going to put some stripes on the scarf. With red. Next, I want to take some green. Put some stripes on here with green. And then these strings are hanging. They're just blowing, so I'm going to make those strings blowing. Now, for the background, what do I want to do back here? You can always hit pause on my video, so if you need me to hold it and then you hit pause so you can see it. Need to hit some snowflakes. So I'm making an X. And then I'm going to make a line through the X right here and a line through the X this way. See what that looks like? It kind of looks like a snowflake already. Then I can put a circle on the points, or I can make letter V's on the points to make it look more like a snowflake. I'll show you. Put circles and I put V's. We can make large ones, small ones. Like that. Let's draw a couple more snowflakes. My black is smearing on me here. No black, don't do it. Black colored pencil, no. Make some lines. Dun, dun, dun. There's my Rudolf. He's a happy little feller. Remember, just try your best and post it so I can see it and others can see it. If you mess up, you can always just try again. Just remember, every time I hold it up, you hit pause and you can try to look at it closer. But try your best. Good luck.